here I have Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable location tag. But firstly you have to go to settings and grant location access to camera. Just like this. And now you can enable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.